Safari's autofill function lets us enter information such as our name, email address, phone numbers, credit card details, as well as login names and passwords without needing to type anything in. Here on the Printique sign-in page, when we tap on the email address field, the option to autofill my email address and password for this site appears above the keyboard. A single tap will autofill both fields, and I can then sign in. Let's open the login page on the macu.com. In this case, we don't need to tap on the email field. Safari knows this is a sign-in page, so a Fill Password panel pops up. Tap to fill that info, and then log in. All this information is saved in the Passwords app. Do a search for Printique here, and the credentials we just auto-filled for that site pop up. Back in Safari on the iPhone, on this contact page, we're asked for our name, email, and phone number. As we select the name field, Safari offers to autofill. Tap Warren to fill the name. In the email field, we're presented to fill my work email or use Hide My Email, which will create a dummy email address that will forward any emails from this site to my actual iCloud email address. I would highly recommend using Hide My Email in this case. But if we tap on the Autofill Contact button, we can select any other email addresses saved for my contact, or even choose an email address for another saved contact. I'm going to use Hide My Email and autofill my home phone number as well. This information is coming from the autofill section of Safari settings. I have the Use Contact Info toggle turned on, and below the info it will use is coming from the Warren Swanson entry in Contacts. Notice this is set as Me here in the contacts list. I also have the credit card toggle activated. Tap on Saved Credit Cards and we are moved into Wallet and Apple Pay settings. There are already a couple of cards saved here, and we can add a new card here by using the iPhone camera to scan it. When a card is saved, we can then autofill the name, card number, and expiration date when making a purchase on a website in Safari. So now let's sign up for a new account on the macu.com using autofill. I'll autofill my first and last name as well as my email. Then in the password fields, Safari has automatically entered a strong password for me, and it will be saved to the Passwords app and synced with iCloud. So it will autofill if I log in here or on any of my other Apple devices. On the next page, we come to the payment fields where we can autofill our credit card details and complete the purchase. Autofill can be a serious time saver when filling out forms or logging into websites.